indicator provide clear buy or sell signal. Green long signal is buy position signal, while red short signal is sell position signal. In this video, we are going to go through this indicator and customize the best setting using this indicator. Let's start. First of all, open up the indicator in the Indicator tabs. The indicator is Twin Range Filter. Next, you can customize the setting based on your trading strategy. If you are trading a shorter time frame, you can lower down the value length to get the indicator to provide a more sensitive signal. After that, when it is done, you can backtest the indicator provided. Use risk-reward ratio to plot for any strategy. Make sure that your risk-reward ratio is more than 1 so that you can have a reward-based trade. Let's try out in our chart. Besides, you can open out another supportive indicator to support this filter strategy. You can use MACD, PSI, or others as a support for the indicator. Basically, this is how you can use this indicator to generate out automated buy-sell signal. Make sure that you backtest each of the indicator first before starting any trade. Try out each of the settings and find the best that suit your trading strategy. Basically, this is all for today's video.